All right, so I'm pretty sure you guys have seen the news. Say they don't arrest this guy, General de Yahoo, but there's a problem. And the problem lies in this video.
And if Hopo Sodima is denying that he did not have any meeting with Gentle and with my master and not the rest of the commanders, if Hopo Sodima swell over this, Hopo Sodima must die. And I am standing, making the world and our people to understand the kind of evil man that Hopo Sodima is. Standing firmly and standing gidigam, telling our people this. If Hopo Sodima did not have meeting with me and my master, with other commanders, let I not be.
Now, after watching this video, my question is this. Did the Nigerian army arrest General de Yahoo because of all the atrocities when they commit, or because he not start to call names? Do you understand? Because as short as this video carry a lot of weight. Carry a lot of weight. This guy, they allege, say go get meeting with the present governor of Imo State, Hope Odidika Uzodinma. Do you understand? And he even went further to say Hope Uzodinma should come out and swear. Now, I'm curious about the kind of meeting that the governor is having with these guys. These guys that are being linked with kidnapping and buying of people. He even went further to say Hope Uzodinma had a meeting with him and other commanders with the master. Boom, now they don't arrest the guy. It's suspicious, right? It's suspicious. Now, if you say, bless you, this guy started to talk because they don't betray him. Maybe one agreement is not go the way it's supposed to go. But yeah, they say they don't arrest him. But again, another thing is this. Was there really terrorism? Most of these guys now sponsored, they sponsor them. I don't watch, you see this General de Yahoo, they watching videos steady. You go know say this guy now sponsor, they sponsor him. There's nothing like you go know say they sponsor the guy. Do you understand? You won't know. It's clear on all these videos. Go and watch them. Do you understand? It's clear. Now make it make sense. How did this guy get this kind of gun for a side bush? How? Did they plug gun for tree? Did they plug bullets for tree? There are a lot of questions that when you ask, if you connect all the dots, you will understand that a lot of these things are not real. What people don't understand is that just the way, if they ask you, what do you do for a living? Right? You say, oh, I am a banker. I am an entrepreneur. That's how some people's business is Nigeria. What do you do for a living? Nigeria is what they do for a living. To cause problem and to make sure Nigeria does not work. And that's how they make their own money and benefit from it. And I'm talking about politics, politicians. Do you understand? Now, let's go back again. Where this guy get all these guns from? Who can give him all these kind of guns? Now, army, if you bring them come this country. Now, army, if you bring all these guns come this country. Or police. Now, military in general. So how did he get to his hand? That's another thing. This guy don't commit. Now, there's a particular video where been go viral that time, where we say 3 guys they for ground. In blast them, you just shoot them, back. You know, 2 nowhere cloth for ground. In the talk, I don't want to just play the video because of community guidelines. Now, in that video, in face no show. The guy face no show, but if you hear the voice actually they similar, right? The face no show they similar. So this guy don't they commit 1 or 2 things since. When I don't link him to insurgency, kidnapping and all, but I no go carry him. He start to call him now, they go carry him. That's number 1. Number 2, also now give him peace deal as well. Because if I think give that guy for casting a peace deal, there's nothing people cannot do again in this country. You are giving a man that has been linked to buying a lot of civilians in Nigeria, a lot of citizens in Nigeria, both women and children. That's where they link to kidnappings. That's where we say, in all of this, a lot of lives of our own Nigerian army, our own military men go down. They give a peace deal. And they watch the video, I just they shake my head. That's why pack cartridge, pack bullets, full body. They talk. And they watch them, I just they shake. And they laugh. I say, no. If you look at it critically, you will understand that when they tell you that there's insurgency in Nigeria, yes, we have to quote it like that when we want to make our video. Do you understand? Or won't want to talk against it, or won't want to talk about it. But do these things really exist? Do you understand? They say, oh, they go arrest one kidnapper. They go arrest one Boko Haram member. Who brought them in before? Who bring Boko Haram before? Who bring them in? The only time where all these politicians want me to pipe those boys now, when those boys don't rebel against them. When the boys don't get carried away, the tools where them bring, where they will use them, they do politics for them. The boys don't start to use them for their own thing. At that time, in government, they ready. But anyways, we are not going to talk about that. My own be say, the question is this. Should we arrest General de Yahoo because he don't commit a lot of atrocities we want to link in name too? Or because he don't start to call name when no supposed to call? You know, that's just my harmless question. Or is it that he's lying against the governor? Is it possible that the governor did not have any meeting with him, or he's just lying, or he's just saying it? Like, I want to know. I'm really curious. What meeting is he talking about? What was discussed in this meeting? You know, he reached to ask. Bro, this country. Anyways, peace and love. Don't play. Yes, you gonna learn.